Welcome back to Beautyistic, your go-to channel for expert product insights and honest reviews. Today, we're diving into the Philips Sonicare 4100 Rechargeable Electric Toothbrush, a sleek and advanced tool designed to elevate your oral hygiene game. This model, HX368123, promises exceptional plaque removal, gentle gum care, and smart brushing technology, all wrapped in a stylish white design. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. First, let's talk about the standout features. The Sonicare 4100 is clinically proven to remove up to 7 times more plaque than a manual toothbrush, setting a high bar for effectiveness. Equipped with sonic technology, it delivers an impressive 31,000 brush strokes per minute, breaking up plaque and sweeping it away effortlessly. It also comes with 2 intensity settings, giving users the flexibility to adjust based on sensitivity or preference. What truly sets this model apart is its pressure sensor. If you brush too hard, the sensor not only alerts you, but reduces vibrations to protect your gums. A thoughtful touch for those prone to overbrushing. The included SmartTimer and QuadPacer features ensure you brush for the dentist's recommended 2 minutes, while evenly covering all quadrants of your mouth. Using this toothbrush is straightforward. The handle feels ergonomic, and the soft nylon bristles on the C2 Optimal Plaque Control brush head are gentle yet effective. Setting it up is a breeze. Simply charge it using the compact USB charger, and you're good to go. The 14-day battery life is a standout, especially for travelers who want to avoid frequent recharging. Performance-wise, the Sonicare 4100 excels. The sonic vibrations leave your teeth feeling remarkably clean, with noticeable improvements in plaque reduction even after just a few days. The pressure sensor is a game changer for anyone looking to protect their gums without compromising on cleanliness. However, the lack of a travel case and additional brush heads in the set feels like a slight miss, considering its price point. Now, if you're enjoying this deep dive into the Sonicare 4100, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon. It's a small gesture that helps us continue bringing you top-tier reviews and keeps you in the loop for more amazing content. In terms of pros, the Sonicare 4100 delivers exceptional cleaning power, user-friendly features like the pressure sensor and timers, and a minimalist design that fits seamlessly into any bathroom aesthetic. The 14-day battery life is another significant plus. On the downside, its premium price might be a consideration for those on a budget, especially since it doesn't include extras like a travel case or multiple brush heads. When compared to similar products, such as the Oral-B Pro 1000, the Sonicare 4100 stands out for its sonic technology and pressure-sensitive functionality. However, the Oral-B Pro 1000 is slightly more affordable, making it a viable alternative for those seeking effective plaque removal without splurging. From a value-for-money perspective, the Sonicare 4100 offers excellent quality and innovative features that justify its price, especially for users who prioritize gum health and superior plaque removal. The build quality is robust, and its sleek design feels durable and modern. It's an investment in long-term oral health, though budget-conscious buyers might want to explore simpler options like the aforementioned Oral-B model. Overall, the Sonicare 4100 is an ideal choice for adults who want a smarter, more effective way to maintain their oral health. It's perfect for beginners venturing into the world of electric toothbrushes, as well as seasoned users looking for enhanced features. With its gentle cleaning action and intuitive design, it's hard not to recommend. Thank you for watching this review on Beautyistic. If you're interested in the Philips Sonicare 4100, check out the link in the description below. Let us know your thoughts or questions in the comments, and if you already own it, we'd love to hear your experience. See you in the next video.